Working with AI, Chapter 8, Role Clarity, Communication Skills. AI communication breaks when assumptions replace clarity. AI can't read minds. When you don't say what you know, or what you don't, the system fills the gaps. Those guesses shape depth, tone, and direction. Wrong assumptions lead to bad output, even if the information is correct. Say what you understand. Say where you're unsure. Silence is interpreted as certainty. Clarity sets boundaries. Boundaries prevent noise. Collaboration improves when guessing stops and knowledge limits are stated clearly. Full breakdowns are on the blog, link in bio. New posts weekly. Truality.finance is a parent brand of .mental, .legalese, and .unfiltered, built on clarity, confidence, and steady progress. Just tools to help you stay grounded and in control of your financial journey. Stay steady, stay real, stay you. Powered by Mr.Why through Truality.finance in support of the Truality cause. Dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for illustrative visual concept purposes only. If this helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more educating financial information. These are products of the Truality universe created by Mr. Why.